Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your machine learning models with DataRobot, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your machine learning models with DataRobot, begin by accessing the DataRobot platform. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the project dashboard that contains the model you wish to protect. Select the model you want to secure. After selecting the model, look for the Security Settings option within the Model's Details page. Click on the Security Settings to access the model protection features. Enable model access controls to restrict who can view or modify the model. Define roles and permissions based on your team structure. Use the audit logging feature to track model usage and access. Review logs regularly for any unusual activity. Next, consider implementing data encryption for sensitive information. Locate the data encryption settings in your project settings. Enable encryption for both data at rest and data in transit. This will ensure that your model's inputs and outputs remain confidential. Now, explore the option of using model versioning. Create versions of your machine learning model after each update. This allows you to roll back to previous versions if needed. Regularly monitor the performance of your models. Set alerts to notify you of any deviations in performance. Lastly, stay updated with DataRobot's security best practices. Regularly check for updates from DataRobot regarding new security features. Document all security policies relevant to your machine learning models. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the protection of your machine learning models within DataRobot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.